We are Grand Cayman today, and it is a tender port. So it's a lot of back and forth. They told me just go to security. I can go check out my drone, but now they're telling me I have to go to the forward gangway. All of this for the drone. Carnival, you're not easy. All right, Operation Drone unsuccessful. Let's see. Heading now to get something to eat, like a breakfast, like a brunch, I don't know what. And then go hang out by the pool, I guess. No plans today. Oh, the buffet is still open, so I'm just gonna grab something small. Yeah, I'm spending back for that, yes. Absolutely. All right, a little breakfast. A little brekkie. Same options they had yesterday. With some danishes. Hard-boiled eggs over here. Fruit Loops, Lucky Charms. Best cereal. Don't debate me. Debate your mama. Don't debate me.
I already made up my mind about having a burger today, so definitely having a burger today.
Burger.
Even if I have to camp out outside, I'll have burger today.
I will not be camping out, but yes, burger today.
The pizza was great last night, so you definitely need a burger. And then Friday, I need to have that pig and anchor thing, because it's free on Friday.
Yeah.
For sure.
Could have also gone today to the Gigi's. Gigi's has free lunch and cucina.
I have so much options to eat.
That cereal should do the trick until noon. It's 11:20 now, so just gonna hang out, find something to do. Which way? Ooh, pool is looking good. I gotta get a drink. All right, tequila. Blue Iguana Tequila Bar isn't open, but Red Frog is. And of course, they're playing soca. Yeah, I'm gonna get something to drink. Even though we are not, sailing, we're docked out here in the middle of the water, it still is, it's rocking a bit. Maybe I should have taken my Dramamine. All right, let's see if I could get a space, get a drink. Good morning, Milton. How are you?
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
How may I help you?
May I have a red rum treasure, please? Yes, please. Acquired. Whoa, hold up. Oh, this might be the drink of the day. Rum treasure. We have a list today. We're getting a guy's burger. We're getting on a water slide. Okay, that's the list. 2 things, but that's the list. Sometimes it's only 2 things and I still haven't accomplished it. So we're gonna do it today. catch them coming down the slide. I swallowed a lot of water coming down that last one. A lot of water. Slides done. Time for a burger. I'm gonna get the ringer. So the ringer has bourbon and brown sugar barbecue sauce, and I think an onion ring. That sounds like it. And of course, a side of fries. Oh, it smells so good.
Once it's over, leave it alone.
Thank you. Acquired. All right. I don't really got my food. Time for a drink. Done with the burger. Gonna head up to Serenity. It was pretty empty when I went up there just to scope it out. They had available day beds. You know, you can see the view, you can see Grand Cayman, so I'm gonna take advantage of that, or I'm gonna get in the jacuzzi. It's free. So I'm gonna do that and probably take a nap. A nap in the sun sounds good. I'm ready to get a little tan. All right. It's formal night. Wait, before I describe what's about to happen tonight, we did the water slides, check. I got a guy's burger, check. And bonus, I got to take a nap in Serenity. So that was pretty much the day. Instead of going to Grand Cayman, I stayed on the ship. That was a really good decision. I've never done that before, so got some well-deserved fun and rest. So came back to the cabin, half got ready for formal night. I did my hair already, so have about 2.5 hours until dinner. So I'm gonna hit up this casino and see if I can win. Wish me luck, casino, casino. Oh boy, so excited, like a kid who wants to go to the arcade. I do like when you get in the elevator, you don't have to worry about pressing buttons. You just come in, sit back, relax, let the elevator do the work. Bye. Ooh, is Alchemy open? Ooh. It's formal night, so people are dressed up already. Oh, sushi looks so good. Sip on this while I play, and when I'm done, come back up for a song. All right, let's hit it. You see the excitement in my eyes? My casino play got interrupted because they told me that something was up with my card. So I went to get services, but they cleared it. So I could go back and play, but now they told me that I have been approved to fly my drone tomorrow. So I just have to run to the room to get something. That's teppanyaki. I have yet to try that on any ship. I'm back. May I try the French kiss, please? tastes like jam, like I'm eating jam. This is the French kiss. Let's see what's inside. It has vodka, Chambord, sparkling wine, and a touch of lime, and blueberry garnish. It's very sweet. All right, Carnival, this is as good as it's getting. Formal night, duh. Let's go. Sailing has been rocky. Something's different with the water. It usually calms down by now. It's December and it hasn't calmed down yet. Yeah, we have a few people who are not coming to dinner tonight because they don't feel well. A lot of people wearing green and doing family portraits. It's so cute with the Christmas tree. It's very nice. Consider it if you're going on a holiday cruise. Dinner was great. I got my lobster tail, I got a steak. I made my own surf and turf without paying the extra. It was great. Interesting. I got the Papa Doble. I saw grapefruit juice, and that was it. So I ordered it.